In this video, I'll show you how to add user authentication in Replit Agent. First, sign in to your Replit account and open the project where you want to add authentication. Next, open Replit Agent and describe the authentication system you want to build. Specify the sign-in methods you need, such as email and password, Google, or another supported provider. Ask Replit Agent to generate the complete authentication flow for your application. After that, review the generated code and apply the suggested changes. If prompted, add any required API keys or environment variables using the secrets section so your authentication provider can connect securely to your application. Now, run your project and test the authentication flow. Create a new account, sign in, sign out, and verify that protected pages are only accessible to authenticated users. If you need additional features, ask Replit Agent to add password reset, email verification, or user profile management. Finally, continue refining your authentication system by testing different user scenarios and making sure everything works correctly before deploying your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add user authentication in Replit Agent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.